All right, beginning choir. This week's quiz star is going to be on simple time signatures. So I'm going to send to you this page as a PDF or JPEG. I can't remember which I uploaded it as, but make sure to have this page up when you complete this week's quiz star. This week's quiz star is going to be on simple time signatures. So you have here a total of 9 examples of different time signatures. So these are them. So for this week's quiz, you'll get questions that say something like, what does the bottom number mean? What does the top number mean? So really quickly, that bottom number means what note gets the beat. If you see a 4 on the bottom, you'll know that the quarter note gets the beat. If you see a 2 on the bottom, the half note gets the beat. If you see an 8 on the bottom, the eighth note gets the beat. There are other time signatures out there. There are things that are called compound time signatures. They kind of look like this. They're a little bit more complicated. You won't be tested on these ones, but you will be tested on these ones. So when you're taking this week's quiz start, make sure you have this document up and running. Make sure you always count how many at the top. So as you can see, the top ones here are all quarter notes. If you see 2 quarter notes with a 4 on the bottom, that means you're in 2/4 time. This is waltz time, also known as triple time, and then quadruple time, which is also known as common time. Make sure you have that in the back of your heads, because I won't call it quadruple time. I will call it common time. I won't call it triple time. I will call it waltz time. You've got your half notes here. So if you see 2 half notes with a 2 on the bottom, you're in 2/2 time. You see 3, that's 3/2 time. 4 in 4/2 time. But most likely you will see a combination of all of these on this week's quiz star. So have this document next to you so that you know which questions are right and which questions are wrong. I will have a worksheet along with this to help you along. The questions that you see on the worksheet are also going to pop up on the quiz star. So if I were you, I would complete the worksheet first, then look for the right answers, and then after you've done the worksheet, then go and complete your quiz star. If you have any questions, just email me or pop in for one of my office hours, which for most of the week will be between 8 and 9:30 a.m., except for Monday. On Monday, it's going to be between 8:30 and 10 a.m. So if I don't see you pop in, I'm going to assume that you have no questions and that this is easy breezy for you. But I'll be popping in to check what your Quizstar scores are. They'll probably pop up on Tuesday, or the Quizstar will probably pop up on Tuesday or Wednesday. So be on the lookout for that. I'll send a link to it, and I'll send the other link on Google Classroom as well as Schooloop. So look for both of those, and you will see the links to that whether you're on Schooloop or Google Classroom. Okay, pop in for our office hours if you have questions.